Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 year. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2021 Wave 9. We have Chase Briscoe's Ford Performance Racing School car. So here's the back. And let's get Chase Briscoe out of his box. So here we have the sticker and his car. So just let me get this screen down. All right, anyway, so here's the sticker. So his sticker is basically like his HUD, except there's his name and his number on the side, which it doesn't have on the car. Now, anyway, moving on to the car. Obviously, the car has the 14, which is red, the blue line on the bottom, and the Ford Performance Racing School. It does look a lot similar to Clint Boyer's scheme, except this is now Chase Briscoe's car, and there's a slack of paint missing, and they really got to do a better job. The rookie stripes, because he was a rookie in 2021, before he is now a veteran. He is now a sophomore in his Cup Series. And the new next-gen Ford Mustang car, which this is the 2021 version with the classic Ford Mustang. The wheels, rims, and it says the Ford Performance Racing School, which is, I think it's like a performance center where new racing drivers come in, I feel like. This is what that is. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.